Hi everyone, I hope you all are staying home, staying safe and taking good care of yourselves. Today's video is gonna be about a detailed guide on how to shave your face, and I'm gonna be sharing with you pros and cons of shaving and do's and don'ts of shaving, and also I'm gonna be bursting some myths about face shaving. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. And before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon. And yeah, having said that, without any further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so first let's understand about the pros and cons of shaving. So when you shave your face becomes a lot more softer and smoother, and shaving also exfoliates your face, and also shaving gives a very nice glow on your face, and your makeup also glides on very smoothly like a butter when you apply your makeup, because there is a lot of पीच फस ऑन योर फेस, एंड जो रुई जैसे बाल होते हैं उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं पीच फस. सो यू नीड टू रिमूव दैट पीच फस फ्रॉम योर फेस, बिकॉज when you apply makeup on top of the peach fuzz, it sort of just comes through your makeup, like the foundation that you might be applying, it sort of comes through the foundation and it is visible to the person might know who's sitting beside you, so that does not look presentable. And shaving is such a pain-free procedure and आपको कुछ तामझाम नहीं करना पड़ता है. It is very time saving, it is money saving also, because one razor is going to cost you around 50 rupees, and एक रेजर को आप at least 15 times यूज कर सकते हो. मैं तो 15 times से ज्यादा ही करती हूँ. And at this point I've been shaving my face since more than a year now, so I can definitely tell you that shaving is not at all harmful for your face. The only con about shaving your face is that your hair is going to grow a lot more faster than compared to waxing your face, but I would not recommend you to wax your face at all. Please girls, don't wax your face ever, because one, it is very painful, and two, when you wax your face your skin is going to sag a lot earlier than it would do otherwise. So please don't wax your face. And okay, the other thing that I've seen so many girls do is bleaching their facial hair. Okay, so bleaching is not at all good for your skin. I mean, अपनी स्किन पे ब्लीच लगाने से अच्छा है you can use a simple razor and just trim all the hair off and you're good to go. There's no need to apply such harsh chemicals on your face when you can just shave your face. And enough of chit chat now, let's start with the actual shaving procedure. So I have this kind of razors that I'm sure all of you must have seen these razors, and they are very easily available in Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, and they're also available in so many medical shops or local shops. You can easily just get your hands on these kind of razors, and they come with this cap which you have to just ऐसे बंद कर देना है आपको, यानी कि ये सेफली कहीं पे भी आप इसको रख सकते हो. Firstly, it is very important that you sanitize the razor, because come on, it's your face that you're dealing with, so don't forget to clean the razor before you use it. And also keep a tissue paper handy with you, so that the hair that comes off of your face, you can just wipe it in a tissue paper. And before starting the shaving procedure, you have to make sure that your face is completely squeaky clean. You can use whichever face wash that suits your face, and just clean your face thoroughly with the face wash, and there should not be any makeup on your face. इतना सा भी makeup नहीं होना चाहिए आपके face पे when you are shaving your face. And now I might as well sanitize my hands, because it's my face that I'm dealing with, and it's very important for people with especially acne prone skin. आपको अपने hands को clean रखना चाहिए before you touch them on your face. Just a disclaimer that अगर आपकी acne prone skin है and अगर आपको कोई active breakouts हो रखे हैं, then I would not recommend you to shave at this time. अगर आपके face पे कोई active pimple नहीं है, then आप अपने face को shave कर सकते हो. Now before starting, just take a dollop of moisturizer. Usually आप जितना moisturizer लगाते हो उससे ज्यादा moisturizer लेके just apply it on your face. It will just make the whole procedure a lot more smoother and faster. I would not recommend you to dry shave your face. I've seen so many girls doing that, but personally मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ड्राई शेविंग में इतना ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं रहा है. So I'm not telling you guys to shave your dry face. Now let's start shaving. Now when you're holding your razor, you don't have to hold your razor like this on your face. You always have to hold your razor at an angle on your face. So make sure that आप एक एंगल पे ये रेजर को होल्ड कर रहे हो, ना कि ऐसे डायरेक्टली ये ब्लेड्स आपके फेस को टच करे. ऐसे होल्ड नहीं करना है. So just hold it at an angle and can you guys see the difference? And you don't have to apply any pressure, okay? Zero pressure when you're shaving your face. Don't apply any pressure when you're shaving your face. Just glide on your razor. Okay, one thing that you have to make sure while you are shaving your face is that जिस डायरेक्शन में आपका हेयर ग्रोथ है उसी डायरेक्शन में आपको शेव करना है, ना कि उसकी ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. मेरा हेयर ग्रोथ डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में है, सो मैं अपने रेजर को डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में ही होल्ड करूंगी, ना कि ऐसे अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में. Okay, now let's move on to shaving my upper lips. Now for shaving the upper lips area, you have to stretch your upper lips area with your tongue. And also I would advise you to do a patch test over here before shaving your face, because if you're a beginner and you're shaving your face for the first time, you don't know that the razor is going to suit your face or not. Most probably it suits almost everyone, but it might as well suit your face. So make sure that you do a patch test over here before you start shaving your whole face. Clean the razor alternatively so that the hair does not bother you in shaving the other parts of your face. नोज पे शेव करने से बहुत सारे व्हाइट हेड्स भी निकल आते हैं गाइस. जो व्हाइट हेड्स बहुत ऐसे डीप नहीं है आपकी स्किन में एंड स्किन के ऊपर के लेयर पे है, वो सारे के सारे व्हाइट हेड्स निकल जाने वाले हैं when you shave your face. Okay, now I will go ahead and shave my forehead. Okay, while you are shaving your forehead, please make sure that you don't shave off your hairline, because फिर आप वहां से टकलू दिखोगे. That is a critical area when you are a beginner. And hold your hair tightly and then shave your face. Make sure कि सर का एक भी बाल आपके forehead पे नहीं है, otherwise that is going to come off and you will end up breaking your hair. Okay. अभी ये जो eyebrow के बीच का portion है, वह if I will use the whole razor, so this portion is a little bit smaller than the razor, then my eyebrows are gonna come off if I just shave like this. So what I will do is I will just use the upper tip of the razor while I'm shaving my mid of the brows. आपको रेजर का जो पीछे का पोर्शन है वो अपनी स्किन को टच नहीं करना है. You just have to use the upper portion of the razor. Okay, now when I am shaving my eyebrows, now you need to be very, very, very careful while you're shaving your eyebrows, because I also don't mess up with the shape of my eyebrows, because मेरा eyebrows वैसे भी बहुत पतले eyebrows है, and if I try to be over smart and mess up with the shape of my eyebrows, I'm gonna lose my eyebrows. What you have to do is just hold your razor along the shape of your eyebrow and I'm just trimming the extra hair off of my eyebrows. मैं अपने eyebrows के shape को बिल्कुल भी touch भी नहीं कर रही हूँ. I try to do my eyebrows very often because I am either shooting or filming reels for my Instagram, so I need my eyebrows to look good. And by the way, if you're not following me on my Instagram, you should follow me there also, because I've been pretty regular on my Instagram also lately. So yeah, if I really want to enhance the shape of my eyebrows, I'll either go ahead with a plucker, but most of the time I just end up like this. That is just shaving off the extra hair off of my eyebrows. Now I think I'm done with shaving my face, and I cannot feel any peach fuzz on my face, and my face feels so soft and so smooth. And can you guys see the glow on my face? In person, my face looks a lot more glowy and a lot more cleaner than before. Now let's just wash our face and then again moisturize the face. And you can also just ice your face after shaving. अगर आपको कोई itching वगैरह हो रहा है when you shave your face, then you can just ice your face, and then don't forget to apply a layer of moisturizer on your face. Shaving करने के बाद moisturizer apply करना बहुत जरूरी है. So please don't skip your moisturizer, and I'll be back after washing my face. Okay, so now I have washed my face again, and I will quickly apply my moisturizer. These are the amount of hair that has come off of my face, even though I tend to shave my face regularly. इतने सारे बाल मेरे face इतने सारे बाल मेरे face से बाहर आए हैं after I've shaved my face. So and now let's move on to clearing all the myths that we all have while shaving our face for the first time. So I'm going to clear all the things that I had in my head before I started shaving my face for the first time, and all the myths that I had heard from so many different people. And so first and the most common thing that everyone has in their mind is that your hair will grow a lot more thicker than it actually does. That is just a myth, guys, because scientifically also it does not make any sense. आप अपने बालों की ऊपर की लेयर को शेव ऑफ कर रहे हो, and it is not going to affect the inner growth of your hair. The hair grows from a lot deeper inside your skin than just the hair that you see on your face. So there's no way of your hair going to grow thicker than it actually is. आपके बाल पतले भी नहीं ग्रो होने वाले हैं, या फिर आपके बाल मोटे भी नहीं ग्रो होने वाले हैं. जैसे ही आपकी बालों की हेयर ग्रोथ है, वैसे ही आपके बाल ग्रो होने वाले हैं आफ्टर यू शेव योर फेस. And the next most common thing that I've heard from so many people was that not only about shaving your face, people are so much concerned about shaving their whole body also. लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि आप अपने बॉडी के जिस भी पार्ट में रेजर यूज करने वाले हो, वो बॉडी पार्ट आपका डार्क हो जाने वाला है, एंड दैट इज नॉट इट. मेरा स्किन टोन, मेरे फेस का स्किन टोन बिल्कुल भी डार्क नहीं हुआ है या बिल्कुल भी लाइट नहीं हुआ है. जैसा मेरा स्किन टोन है वैसे ही मेरा स्किन टोन है आफ्टर आई हैव शेव्ड माय फेस. सो इफ यू फील दैट आपका फेस थोड़ा सा डार्क हो जाने वाला है आफ्टर यू शेव योर फेस, देन दैट इज नॉट द केस. आई कैन अश्योर यू 100% दैट आपका फेस डार्क भी नहीं होने वाला है और आपके बाल मोटे भी नहीं ग्रो होने वाले हैं. सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट थिंग. इट इज गोइंग टू सेव so much of your time, so much of your money, so much of your efforts. So please don't hesitate in shaving your face. And if you have any doubts, you can obviously ask me in the comments down below, and also I will link this razor in the description box below. So I guess that's it for today's video. I really hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, and अगर आपको ये वीडियो इतना सा भी अच्छा लगा है, then please go ahead and hit that like button. And also if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and also press on the bell icon so that you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, stay home and stay safe.